Is it my screen is visible? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Welcome once again to this CCC online live class. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about presentation. All right. So presentation is one of the most important subject or one of the most important things in our daily life. In every field, they used to have presentation. So since you are about to face your life after you graduate, so you need to know how to create a presentation. All right. There are different types of presentation software available in the world. The most popular one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. But that Microsoft PowerPoint is not free. We are supposed to purchase Microsoft Office in order to use that Microsoft PowerPoint. And therefore, many companies and even the government is recommending other free software. Okay, even CCC, in CCC also it is recommended to use LibreOffice. So LibreOffice comes with uh, a presentation software which is known as uh, Impress, LibreOffice Impress. Okay, the name of the presentation software in this LibreOffice is LibreOffice Impress. So we are going to learn LibreOffice Impress, but whatever you are about to learn in this LibreOffice Impress will be able to can be done using Microsoft PowerPoint also. It's up to you. If you know in LibreOffice Impress, I hope you won't have any problem in Microsoft PowerPoint also. So let us try to start this LibreOffice Impress. The way to open is just simply type LibreOffice and there is Impress software. Just click this one and let me click once again and it will open like this with the template. Okay, with the template, whatever template or color scheme or the design you can choose. Okay, suppose you choose forest bird, you choose lights, you can choose nature illustrations, whatever scheme that is suitable for you, you can choose. You can choose piano also for your presentation template. So that's how you start LibreOffice. And I choose this template. I don't know what's the name of this template. And I have written some points here. Introduction. Microsoft PowerPoint is the most popular in the world, but CCC latest syllabus recommend the use of this LibreOffice Impress for presentation. That's why we are going to use LibreOffice Impress instead of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So we are trying to learn as per the syllabus, and the syllabus the first thing is creating a presentation using a template. I hope you know, right? Whenever you open LibreOffice Impress, you are welcome with a template. Okay? So this template, if you want to use this focus template, you can click this and then open. Then you are creating a presentation using this template. All right? That's the template. So after this also you can change it if you want. That the template can be changed as per your uh, okay, as per your requirement. So let us go to the next one. Next one is inserting and editing text on slide. That's very easy. You can simply click where it is written, click here to add text and type. Simply click and type whatever text you want. Okay, that's how editing text is done. That's very simple. And the next one is inserting and deleting slides in presentation. Suppose I want to insert some slide. The key, I am currently in slide number 5. I want to insert some slide between slide number 5 and 6. You can right click on 5 and click new slide. Okay, new slide. The keyboard shortcut is Control M, which is applicable in Microsoft PowerPoint as well as in LibreOffice. Let me insert new slide now. There is one blank slide which comes between this slide 5 and previously it was slide 6, saving a presentation. So this is the another side that we insert. The next one is deleting. If you want to delete this slide, you can simply right click and select delete slide, or you can press delete command, delete key in the keyboard, then it's gone. And the next one is saving presentation. Saving presentation is also very simple. You can click this save button, or you can go to file, save or save as, or you can press Ctrl S. It's up to you. Give the name of the, if it is your first time, it will appear the save box like this, and then type the name, file name, and then click save. Then that how you save. Next one is manipulating slide. The first one is inserting table. If you want to insert table in your presentation, you can click the insert table button which is already there in the slide, or you can go to insert and then table. You can specify the number of rows and columns here. 7, let us say okay. So this is the table which I inserted. All right, and this is the table which I inserted. So you can resize this table as you like. That means in your presentation you are going to present a table. For example, you want to describe your timetable to the public, so you can create a table. Next one, while creating table, it is same. Let me repeat. It is same to other LibreOffice apps like Govt. There you can mark the cell, you can increase or decrease the width and height of column, etc. While you are writing, you can go to next cell by pressing tab, but formula cannot be used in this LibreOffice Impress. All right. Then let's go to the next one, manipulating slide, which is insert clip art pictures. So the way to insert pictures, all right? You can simply click this insert image or insert a chart. Or insert image is the most suitable one. You can also go to insert, and then you can go to object, no, media. You can go to media, and you can go to gallery or photo album, or you can scan if you already have scanner, something like that. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, let us go to gallery, and from this gallery you can drag and drop whatever you want. So this is the, wait, if you commit any mistake, you can press Ctrl Z to undo. All right, and you can go to bullets, you can go to sound, you can go to save. So suppose if you are creating certificate, this type of things may be very useful. All right, so that is the clip art picture, how you insert. And next one is inserting other objects. Other object may include any other objects from here. Objects, you can insert formula. This formula may be important for science students if you are going to, if you want to explain some formula, you can insert it. You can insert QR code. I think this QR code is not available in PowerPoint. Okay, you can embed it other things. Okay, you embed other things. OLE means object linking and embedding, and several things are supported. You can embed spreadsheet, you can embed drawing, you can embed formula, etc., even text, etc. Okay, these are very simple. And let's go to the next formula, resizing and scaling an object. So whenever you insert any picture or anything, let me insert this one. Okay, I am inserting this. So you can resize or you can scale. You using your mouse, you can drag and drop. So this portion need to be resized also. Yes. So you can right click and edit something. Okay, what if I edit the style? There are so many styles. Okay, let's not let me not make you confused. This is how you can resize. If you want to make it smaller again, you can drag and drop, and you can drag this to the smaller size. Okay, then it becomes smaller again. Okay, that's how you resize or scale an object. This type of scaling is applicable to any other object, including your photos or pictures. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
All right. So let's go to the next.
Sir,
Yes.
slide load delete multila kami undo dan ka control plus z kind of work with em.
Yes. Let me delete
Hey,
this.
and now slide.
Suppose I delete this, right? And
Yes, sir.
control Z. Yeah, it is coming back.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now let's go to creating and using master slide. Master slide is the framework for all your presentation. Master slide kan ti chuan in presentation lan dan tur song song control tu ani heta slide in kalanga chuan master background ti taila khami a background zong zong kha hemi a set ang kha ani don ti ani chuan master object te kha on ta master object ai chuan intenan logo te kha phek tina lang turin lo do taila master object a khan itil dona chuan master element ti zong khan a om thei boka khang zong zong kha master a khan atela chuan apoimo lai per chu master khai khoi don chuan chain slide master itianga chuan hian design sa kha lot thei in hei chu a lot dana boi thak deuh hlek ani powerpoint ai chuan powerpoint a kha chuan edit thei mai nan da ma se tuna kan template mani chuan chu tiang edit thei turin da lawa than thei tur pahni ada pathum ada zo kan chu internet tuna thang okay lo ti taila heti lai antenan hi te de turin lo ti taila slide dang zong zong a khami khate ang te angin akal vek ton ti na ang khani tane a om zia kha hria ulaka du'a a tak taka thiam tur chuan claimin zirve deuh hlek chu angayang a big takin khatianga theme le template han khoi hial tur chuan claima zirve deuh hlek angai ani a om zia ber voi khat kan soinon le ange a om zia ber a chuan slide master emo master slide kan ti chuan slide song zong control na tura template anda khanita a horop kha te vekinan lo da ta ni slide tin na ti len zel kha kan do lo ta slide master kan lo ta PowerPoint presentation Microsoft Office application lu te thopa he tai chon pong polu thei lo in thlan na ti neu neu angai zo PowerPoint na khana ol sama slide atangin slide master in lu danga khata khan in slide lan dan zong zong kha font te color te kim kham vekta chu su du tia idu size in siam nga chung zong zong chu new slide insert huna po khami isiam angzel khana kal to mai don tane it's about it is that okay kha kha ani de ani mai master slide so hetai chuan a chip chair lu tugin kan ti man lo to rangai tai la thang then set up presentation the next thing is about setup presentation let's close this and in setup presentation you have to click these properties. So from the properties, is 16 envelope size po. Ini katil select. Let's say 16 into 9. Then big screen. No, big screen and tina or TV screen te po hi hetiang de hian ta hetiang hian present don ta la emi hi iklang don tina ni chu tiang ni lo. And then 16 into 10 ti te. A hlui ho chuan projector hlui o sen 4 is to 3 hi kan mang deuh tlang pui 4 is to 3 hi tlang pui ani 4 is to 3 size po hi du thu sam ani ta chuan next thing is about layout. From this layout you can choose 2 columns, singles, 3 columns, 4 columns, something like that. Heta picture lang hian a column po idu dan kha I thlang thei ti na ani chu ka thlan zo kha chu title le content o mani ta title oma content kha column le om turang pon iti thei ta heng ho idu da danin ai nang fek kha man kher tur ti na ni lawa iduang ang khan siam thei ani bokane. That's about setup. Now running your slideshow. Tuna chuan ka siam lawa ka soi fi ringota. Suppose if we are creating the slideshow and we finish the slideshow, the presentation, and we want to run that presentation now. This is the way to do. You can go to slideshow and you can click start from first slide, okay, F5. F5 here a keyboard shortcut niya PowerPoint na po man thei thawa slideshow a bullet changa so na ani dikhan is slow chuan full screen in a lo kalang in muthemo full screen in a lo kalanga point presenter te pointer te mangin dikhan next akala chuan next akala khatianga soifia pa zel tur khani pani. The presentation iti line iti top do chuan right click and so khan ati the mai right click and so no. That's how you saw. You can go to slideshow and from first or from current slide. Suppose I am currently in this slide number 8 and I want to start showing from slide number 8. You can go to slideshow and then you can click start from current slide. Shift F5 and the slideshow will start from that slide number 8 as you can see. In Muthayang Tara. Keyboard shortcut te kha in exam nan khana poimo dona kha share in tum donya. Then we almost finished, okay? Let's go to another thing where we are left out. Automating. Okay. What is the next slide? Running slides. So the next thing is transition and slide timing. All right. Transition means slide pakhat le slide pakhat in car alawalan dan to transition ani tani. To me transition chu is set do chuan ta hian slide changin where is the transition? I think it's in the view. Yes. It's in the view. View menu atang in transition ay kanang PowerPoint chuan ashan paliaw in transition menu kha omin kasya chumi chang chuan sa theya hetai chuan view menu atang in slide transition click anga slide transition hian he properties atang thlan thein alo lang ta idu du kha thlan turam tani. For example, split detail hatiang khan slide current split don tani slide pakhat in car transition tur hai do ang in set the dissolve te po lo lan chan dan tur ani chu slide lo lan chan dan tur ti khan ka set so zel ti na ani a. And that's about slide transition and slide timing. Timing a vet hung chuan the duration is given here. Okay, duration of the transition is 2 seconds. So that 2 second va click ngay kher lawa automatic ron kal turai du chuan on mouse click ti zok ni lawin automatically after 1 second ema 2 second katiang zong khan chuan apply this transition to all slide zong zong kha same transition khay man tia thea a shan pa in ikal tia thei poka ien log du chuan hetiang hi alan da tu nei dan. This is about the slide transition. And then another one is automating the slides. So if you want to automate, you have to select automatically in every slide, okay? Automatically, he automate to reni chu aya poi mo so chu hetilai animation set dan kha poi mo so kin ka sia thalak pakhat enga mo lo da ta ila thalak ka nei mo. Do I have any picture? Since I don't have any picture, let us go back to this and let us click this one. And then let's go to view and let's go to animation. And here you can, in this animation property, you can click plus sign and you can select whatever you want from this animations effects, okay? And let us say random effect. Random it's on in Perniron Caldona Shello. Special effect it upon. Let us say this one expand. Tikanaran expand on swell. I don't know what is swell. Let's check it play. Kami remote kanya chala. Tahian idu du ka planturan ni may. Fly in slow. Laut it on time. Aron talk the don. Tinan ito. Fly in slow. Tihan animation kay idu dan in a set table. Itutsud tepo heta po yan hey. Hemi slide number 2 ayan katutsud ka ang lauta 10 plus sign ayan animation hi local sa hey hoi dulo chuan minus paisel thea animation ayan du dan dan paisel thea and then Microsoft PowerPoint hi animation atan Vetician blind hi nge kasalawa kakavetisan ba. Chuan but CCC latest syllabus here. Tinan animation atan fly in slow lo di daila. Aron clock load dia may. Okay, let's see. Slide so start from current slide and so this is the slide transition and when I click that's the first one and then the second one and okay where is the flying kasi mo katya. So you can set animation like that, okay? So when you want to end the slow, you can press escape key from the keyboard also. So now regarding the printing of slide, you can go to file and you can export it as PDF. PDF ang ina-export ya. Chuan PDF ka chu du to kina print ya. Ani lo le export kera lo pon kan print ang itin chuan go to print directly here. Okay? Printer ina isan chuan tihan i-print he may don tan aron chuan tan. That's about printing and enhancing text presentation, colors, and movies, header and footer, and printing slides and handout. All right, since it is already 1 hour, let me try to wind up and let me quickly explain all these things. The first one which I want to explain is about color and line style. Suppose I want to change the color of this text. That's very easy. you can format the text as you like, and from this format also you can go to text and you can do whatever you want. Okay, and from the properties also, select me. From these properties also you can do different things, the colors, etc. Okay, where is the color box? Yes, this is the text properties, and in this text property, if I want to change the color for to be red like this, you can change it, and you can make it bold. And suppose I want to change this to a little bit different color, you can change. That is the color. And another thing is, suppose line style. I want to draw some basic shapes. You can go to insert and shapes, and then I want to draw this heart sign, and oh, can delete lock there. Insert shaped and hearts, okay, heart symbol and draw it. Hey, kalau draw tane. Then the property will display the properties for this heart automatically. So you can change the color, let us say a red color, and you can change the line like that. You can change different style. Okay, this is the feel. The feel, you can fill it with color, and the color can be blue. Let us fill it blue, something like that. So you can play with the different properties. And lastly, I want to talk about header and footer. Header and footer kan ti chuan slide ahead a chunga in ziak phek zong zong om tur te footer chu a hnuaia in ziak phek zong zong a lang tur kha itidu ani chuan I presentation khan ati thei thawa. You can go to insert and you can go to header and footer, and here you can select footer, let us say prepared by TK. Let us say prepared by TK, and then let us apply this to all. So prepared by TK is there in this slide. If you go to another slide, like slide dang apokal hemi footer hichu alang vec don tina. So that's about header and footer. It's the same in footer also. Footer hani mo ziak lang maula katiang khan a fine alang vec don tina ni. I think with that we finish the presentation, and we covered the syllabus too. So I want you to remember the different keyboard shortcuts and where the menus are located. Suppose if question comes like where can we set the transition in LibreOffice Impress, the options are view, insert, format, slide, etc. So it is available under view. Okay, slide transition, something like that. You have to prepare for that type of questions. All right, student, any
Sorry,
question from you? Yes.
video le sound wave ha.
Yes. Teaching itu tinami.
Inting hello.
Hey, video chu helai tang po hian hey insert audio or video ni ta tera. Ta hian video ni sai ka nei mo. Video ni sai ka nei mai lo ni hi. Video ni sai nei ilang chuan ti kan va thanga kan insert anga. Chuan video kan insert kan automatic play du em ani lo le click huna chap play turin ti so na te ka ranom ta mo. Then you can insert video as well as audio. You can use this button as well as you can go to insert and you can go to media. Media pa itithaya. You can, from this media, you can go to videos. When you say media, it refers to audio niya, video tepo, so animation tepo. om thei tho po ka animated image GIF mo WhatsApp vela lar po ka khatiang po khan ati thei vek to helai chang po hian ta po hian a thei tho
Yes, sir.
audio or video. All right, any other question from you?
Sir, so mo i slide khat delete pal tai la so in so kati lo delete kati i number 2 ka 4 le 5 in ka lo da.
Oh, that's very good question. Yeah, that can happen. You can arrange the slide as you like by drag and drop. And then an hemi slide he ta no idea what kada do it chuan. Tahin ipot thlame nga tikhan ain rem dan kha chuin thla mai. Chu I rem that le don chuan he then most men reng so ipot so nga tikhan a rem that le thei so.
Sir,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other question from other students too? Zanin chu zo na in nga ang ringa min ti pu riao along. All right, seems there is no more questions. So my last word for tonight is please practice, okay? Practice pace. I told you in the beginning, computer is like a kung fu, so knowing only in theory is not enough. So you have to practice if you want to be expert in computer. In thiam du takta ni so in practice ngai. Amara so CCC certificate ka du ringot in tin chuan athu kan soi ho kha lo ziak tha zel la multiple choice som the tur song song kha ziak thau la le kha bu transfer nga nga tu la exam na chuan in pass mai the certificate po in yang amara so tak tak man hun kha in thiam kher lo the ya ma se thiam tak tak in du a passbook in du chuan kan thil soite in zia thla ba kha ataka ti kha angai ani ti kha atop nan karan soi du e. That's all. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.